I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production. Guys, so welcome back to Nice Kitchen, okay? So today I'm going to show you to do Escovitch fish. So that is what the Nice Kitchen bringing to you today. And what I've got here, guys, is my fish already washed and seasoned, okay? So I've seasoned it with fish season, okay? And I've put a bit of salt and black pepper on it, okay? Ground black pepper. And what I've got here is my oil going, and my oil is hot, really hot at the moment. So I'm going to start insert the fish in the pot. And you can see how hot that is. So I'll be adding 5 bits of chicken, fish curry. Apologies. Again, fish that chicken. Okay? So while that is going, guys, I'm going to start preparing my seasoning for it, for my garnish. Okay? And I'll tell you exactly what's on the garnish. Yes, guys, so while my fish is frying, I'm gonna start preparing my garnish. So I've got onion, sweet pepper, and carrot. Okay? They're already washed, but I'm just gonna wash them again. You can never overwash your stuff in the kitchen. So I'm just preparing the garnish. That goes straight. So I've got a small pot here. I'm just putting it straight into the pot. No messing about. Just using a small bit of sweet pepper. You can use 3 if you have red, yellow, and green. So for you. Then guys, I've got 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm just going to use 1 Scotch bonnet pepper. And all I'm going to be doing is just cutting up that very small as well. Not going to make it too hot. And all that straight into your pot. Okay? And then I'll be adding some vinegar to that. I've got white distilled vinegar here. Just the clear vinegar, distilled. Just add it to it. And then I'll leave that for now. And then when the fish is ready, I'll show you the finishing product. Yes, guys, so I'm just stirring in the fish in the pot now. They're all ready. Get them ready, huh? Stirring them. And then they stick together. Brothers and sister, wife and husband. Stick them together. So here you go, sir. Yes, guys, so I'm going to be removing the first set of chicken, first set of fish. Apologies again. First set of fish from the pot. So this is the first batch. And as you can see, guys, I try to drain as much oil back in the pot as possible. And I've also placed them on a hand towel, kitchen towel. And guys, please use a long fork if you have one, okay? And it's a bit safer for you guys. For anyone, it's safer. Yes guys, so just finished frying the fish. And I'm gonna start preparing my garnish. So, as I said before, I've got it cut up and everything in the pot. As you can see, it's just a small portion. It's not a lot of fish I'm doing. So I'm just gonna turn on my fire and that. Let it go. Okay, while that is going, guys. So remember what I've got in here. I've got onion, carrot, a bit of sweet pepper, and I've got scotch bonnet pepper. Okay, some people put pimento seed and all sorts in there. If you want to do that, it's fine. I'm not using that today. Just keeping it simple. You can use 3 color pepper as if you wish. I've only got one, so I'm using what I've got in my kitchen today. So I'm just putting the fish in a bowl. Okay, so I've just add the fish in a bowl. So there you go guys, I've added the fish to a bowl, in a bowl. So when my garnish is ready, I'm just gonna pour it all over it. And then cover it and let the vinegar soak. Yes guys, so as you can see my garnish is coming on. You don't need to leave this on the fire for too long guys. About 5-10 minutes. Once it's you know, you want it leave with a nice crunch. So, and I've also added to this just a tiny tip, just a pinch of all-purpose seasoning and just a tip of olive oil over it, just to give it that sheen so you have a nice glossy finish. So guys, where it's at now, I'm more than happy with that, where it is now. Yeah, and as you can see the color of the vinegar. So all I'm going to be doing now is just pouring that slowly over the fish. Make sure the vinegar catch the fish. Pour it over it. As I said guys, this is just a small portion of fish I'm doing today. So I'm just adding that to it. So the reason why I'm doing that is when you eat the fish now and when I cover it, it's gonna basically steam it in the fish. You can taste the vinegar and everything else. Don't worry guys, I'll put up the ingredients so you can try this at home. Very simple. Something that we can take probably less than an hour or hour maximum to do at home. And this is something I can have for days, just munching and eating. So there you go guys, that's my, it hasn't got a lot of color, but looking great. So again guys, thanks for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment and share and hit the notification button. Okay, so stay safe. One love. Bless up yourself.